Hola Chuckers, I am in Mexico now, in the Chihuahua desert. Spending some time on this land here with my Mexican host named Mr. Sanchez. We're gonna be doing some cooking here in a little bit. But I gotta say, it's been a bit of a tough start getting into Mexico. Border crossing was great, but yesterday I slipped in the river and my phone got washed away by the current. So I'm on a backup now. Luckily, I've got my Starlink internet connection and able to connect with you. But that was a tricky thing to start with. I guess it's all part of the adventure, and the point of this whole trip is choosing the adventure. So I am in firm belief that the adventure will continue in the way it's meant to, and positive things are going to come.
This is Chuk, the ultimate portable kitchen for outdoor cooking.
Para perros.
No, para mí, pero poquito, uno, dos nomás para perros.
Un poquito.
Sí, poquito,
Un poquito para perros.
Poquito para amigos perros.
Wow. Muchos amigos. Okay. Sí.
Very good, very good.
Sí, very good, okay. No,
Este era dinero antes, dinero.
Dinero.
Sí, ¿qué es? Pues?
Sal. Yeah.
Mecha.
No más.
Este ya.
He turned it around. Muy inteligente para... ¿Cómo se dice?
El aire, para que no le pegue el aire. Gringo está comiendo.
Sí. Están aquí. Okay.
Qué gusto. Sí.
Okay. Concina, no. No sombrero. Un momento.
Ya tomó los trapos.
This is Chuk, the ultimate portable kitchen for outdoor cooking.